Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show how to pipe a 2-color swirl on a cupcake. This is a tip 828, but any large star tip will give a similar effect. Depending on the color scheme of the buttercream I'm using, there are a couple of different ways that I'll choose to add the buttercream to the bag. Since I didn't mind if these two colors mixed a little bit in the bag, this teal color and this pink, they made a neat in-between purple color, I added them together so they're touching in the same bag. To pipe your swirl, start in the middle of the cupcake and squeeze to anchor the buttercream to the top. Spiral around holding medium pressure, then release at the end while continuing the spiral motion. If you're new to piping swirls, you can practice going both clockwise or counterclockwise to see which feels more comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, both these colors are in the bag together. Both buttercream colors are touching because I like the in-between color they made. If I wanted to keep the colors separate and stay bright, for instance, colors that contrast quite a bit like maybe black and white or the whole rainbow of colors, I would separate those either in their own bags or in plastic wrap so they aren't touching each other in the bag. I'll link my video here on how I pipe rainbow colors and keep the colors bright. I've also chosen to add a little bit of edible glitter dust and some bright colored sprinkles to these cupcakes. These steps are totally optional, of course. And here's what they look like. You can find the recipes for my cupcake flavors and my buttercream frosting flavors on my website at customcakesandcupcakes.com. Let me know in the comments which two colors you'd like to see together. Thanks so much for watching.